Hello, Dr. Stock Viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, we're going to see detailing about the continuation of the topic which we are seeing regularly on the weekends about the important websites that every investors and traders should know in that way. So right now we are looking about the fundamental sites. We have covered almost 4 websites as of now, and we are waiting for 2 websites to get continued and completed on the fundamental side. That would be it's like today we're gonna see about investorlo.com and money works for me very detailedly. I'll show all these things very detailedly. So before I start my video, right? So if you're a new subscriber to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel and try to share the videos which is provided in the channel to other trading friends of yours. And if you like all the contents of this video, try to give a thumbs up. So let me move on straight direct to the topic. So our topic for today would be like, we'll be seeing detailing about investorlo.com, the website which is used for fundamental analysis, and money works for me, the other website. Moving on, I will show detailing about all the things. So before I move in, right, this is the login page of investorlo.com. I will go to the login as of now. Moving on with the logins. Okay, I have completed the login of my investorlo.com. It would be a free login as of now. So here it is, the first tab is companies, popular investment strategies. Again, it would be a paid short. So companies, there is a page where you will be seeing all the companies here. So if you click that company, right, so you'll be having the fundamentals of that company. So this is how you have all the complete list of companies which are listed in the market. There is 3,310 companies. So I'm showing you one example which I clicked as of now. So this is the one thing where you will be seeing all these things. Moving on to the next tab, that would be the complete payment one, screeners. Screeners is something that will be having completely on. This would be again a paid membership again where you can use the different things and check how many stocks is coming here. So then this will list how many stocks. So you can use the screener.com to get all the screeners. So you can check how many stocks and verify the same with the screeners. So that specification you can use here. And the one important thing I like in this page is compare stocks. So here it's like 2 industry we are comparing in the IT form. I mean, IT sector and the 2 industry in the banking sector. So this is the compare ratio. So this I found it to be useful. So you can use this for your comparison as well. So all the things is coming here, right? The PE ratio, debt to equity. It's something like it's highlighting in the first level. It's good as of now. So apart from that, individual stock analysis, it's like you can view here and you can have a look on it. So it's like that is one important thing, and everything here would be like a price-based model. So they have given some good things, but again it is a price-based model. So but comparatively you can use this for some of the cross verification with other sites. So that is how this works, and this is what investorlo.com is. So I like this compare stocks option here. Let's move on to the next site which we're going to see today. So this is the next website for today which we're going to see as a part of fundamental analysis. Money works for me. This is how it looks. Let me go for the free registration and I'll show how it looks after registration. As of now, I have logged into the free login, and this is my credentials and I have put that. So here again this is my dashboard, and financial planning again you don't want to click about it. And stocks, you can see that best stocks compare, that is the comparing of this, and screeners, all these things you can see here. So that's good here. So here what you can do is you can view the sector which you like, or you can put the fundamental strength of like 10 years company, something like that, and you can put all companies and check how it comes. So that will be listing the fundamentally good companies, something, yeah, everything will be listed, fundamentally good companies. So it has some list. Accordingly, you can go for the sector wise as well. I'm going for automobiles, and I'm going very good as of now. Future prospects, I'm selecting very good. Let's check the results. So this is how it comes. So according to the ranking, the companies are getting coming. So this is how this particular filter works. That is stocks, best stocks. This is compare. Compare means completely the industries, all things you will be getting. So what are the things the player in the animation as of now? So what are the player in the automobiles? What we saw, right? So as of now, let me show for cement and construction materials. So these are the companies which is available in the cement industry analysis and overview. So accordingly, you check that particular stock, no, you'll be getting the fundamental view of that particular stock. So it's like started Ultra Tech Cement, let's check about it. So this is one important thing like screeners. So this screeners will be giving fundamental screeners. I have selected Nifty 50. So any index you select about that stock, how the quality remains, everything is coming here. So that is how it works. And so this is how this part is working. I mean, this is part of this tab stocks. Similarly, we have the same thing for mutual funds as well. So you can open it up one by one. So let me open best mutual funds. So portfolio managers, again, it would be like something like a void thing. I'll show that as well. So this is the best mutual funds. They're giving some recommendations on this. So you can use this as well. So accordingly, if you want, you can go for a compare funds if you have anything taken. So it would be like a comparison of two things, two mutual funds. So that would be also an advantage thing if you are looking out for some new mutual funds. So this is how it goes. Let's see what Ultra Tech. Yeah, this is how the Ultra Tech Cement analysis, this thing, stock fundamental analysis looks. So this is how they have put their fundamental analysis. So they have given very good and community assessment is somewhat good. So that is how it goes, and the promoter, all these things, everything they have given. So you can have a look on this. So price calculator, all the details are given here, simplified ways, and the negatives and positives, and the peer comparisons of, I mean, the peer players of Ultra Tech is also given here. So this is how it looks as an individual stock analysis in this site. So that's fine. This is the cement and construction part of that. So mutual funds is the one which we are checking now. Portfolio manager would be again a void one because we don't have anything at this moment. This is something like a paid one, and investment shastra is something part of this that would be good. So here you can have some analysis or blocks, something coming here. So this is how the compare of mutual fund works. So this is a mutual fund one, and this is something, yeah, this is like the sector wise, right? So this is something like a blog like setup. So here it's something like this tab I'm saying, investment shastra. It would be like a blog like setup where you'll be having so many things. So here I found which to be useful is IPO and FPO analysis. So all these things you can have a look one by one accordingly. So it would be like a blog like things has been given here. So you can have this one by one. So the one part which I like good is this IPO or FPO analysis. That's what I'm showing to you guys now. So this is actually one of the interesting thing. It's like a blog. So here I will be liking the analyst corner, IPO and FPO analysis. So all the things about the IPOs are given here. So if you click that, click this specific thing, right? So you'll be getting the details of that. So this is something close, and here we'll be having it. It's like blue color is there, so that can be enabled accordingly. So this is something like it will be having the complete detail about the IRCTC IPO, all the things. Something like Archit our site. So we'll be having everything here. So this is one thing, key thing that this website is having as a useful thing. So I'll post the link of both the sites as well on the description. That is Money Works for Me, and so kindly have a check on this. Kindly try to check about all the features of this site, and just try to deep dive into the site on each tabs and work accordingly, and take a benefit of this, my dear friends. Thanks for watching this video.
Hi all, thanks for watching this video. I will meet you all shortly with yet another video. Till then, stay updated, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay in home for some more days. See you all with one more video very shortly. Thanks my dear friends. Bye bye.